Here we are today in Montclair, New Jersey at a beautiful Colonial listed for $1.1 million. Now, this house was a gut renovation. If you saw the before, maybe we'll try to get some before pictures to show you and see what they've done to it now. It's an amazing transformation. This house has 4 bedrooms and 5 baths. Previously had 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, so they added one. We'll show you that on the first floor. Now, everything in this house was replaced, from the siding to the roof to the decking, the pavers, and the electrical, the plumbing, you name it, it was replaced. So it's essentially like getting a new house. So when you consider the price, consider the fact that you're getting essentially a new house. Now, it has an attic floor that's finished with its own bathroom. It's like a guest suite. You've got 3 bedrooms on the second floor and 2 baths on the second floor. First floor has an amazing, entertaining layout with the kitchen, the living room, and the dining area. It's very open and very bright. And then you've got a powder room off of the kitchen, which is very convenient as well. Basement's fully finished. We're going to show you all this, but you're going to be really impressed. This is a beautiful house, and it's a great time to come onto the market here in Montclair. Now, if you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, please like and subscribe, or feel free to reach out to Greg or myself. Our phone number is below, and you can schedule a Zoom call with us. Thanks for staying with us, and let's take a look. Here we are inside the dining and kitchen area, and as you can see, that they've left no detail from being perfected in this place. It's got beautiful wood treatment on the walls. You've got quartz countertops. There is this beautiful cabinetry you've got a little bar area next to me here. And all the appliances are stainless steel Bosch. There are beautiful appointments in this house. There are all kinds of details. The windows are brand new. Everything in here is new, the light fixtures. So we're gonna walk around here, but I just wanted you to see the flow. We're gonna do a quick walk around without me and the screen so you can see it. And you're gonna love this place, so stick with us. So we wanted to keep this one without a lot of talking today because I wanted you to just see the beautiful details in this house. One of the things that I want to make sure that I communicate to you is that, you know, all the new fixtures, the new windows, everything that's in here, you know, contributes to the value of the property. But also, this is not unusual for a price point for a 4-bedroom, 5-bath house in Montclair. This price point is, you know, not unreasonable for what you're getting. The median home price in Montclair is between $880,000 and $1 million, depending on which zip code you're in. So $1 million for essentially a brand new house is not unusual. The taxes on this house also are not outrageous, relatively speaking, to the other homes in the area. And you're getting a 1/4 acre lot, which we'll show you a little bit as we head outside. So I just wanted you to enjoy how this looks. Don't want to talk over everything. Again, if you like this video, you'd like to see more like it, please give us a comment. Let us know which types of videos you like best. Like and subscribe. Contact Greg or myself. Our contact information is below if you'd like help selling or buying a home in the area. Welcome to the house that we're going to show you today in Montclair. Come on in, we're going to take a look around. We're going to start over here at the dining area, and what I want to show you is that it's a real, we're a little tight.